Phase 1 allows regions to resume manufacturing, construction and agricultural operations and retailers to reopen with limitations, Cuomo said. 5 regions in upstate and central New York have met the 7 measures outlined by health officials to begin a phased reopening of local businesses. Cuomo signed a New York State on Pause executive order on March 20 that closed non-essential businesses and ordered residents to adopt social distancing measures across the state. The order will expire on Friday. 5 regions in New York will be allowed to begin a phased reopening of their economies starting Friday, allowing construction work to resume and retailers to reopen with curbside or in-store pickup. Gov. Andrew Cuomo said Thursday. "This is all based on the metrics and the numbers," Cuomo said. The big responsibilities for local governments to manage reopening businesses are daily monitoring of numbers, watching for business compliance and individual compliance. New York City has only met 4 of the 7 required criteria to begin its phased reopening. On Monday, Mayor Bill de Blasio said that his city is clearly not ready yet. He said, "Unless something miraculous happens, New York City's stringent stay-at-home orders will remain in place into June." In order to begin Phase 1 of the state's reopening plan, regions must report 2 weeks of declining COVID-19 hospitalizations or under 15 new hospitalizations on a 3-day average, 2 weeks of declining coronavirus deaths or under 5 new deaths on a 3-day average, and under 2 new hospitalizations for COVID-19 per 100,000 residents on a 3-day rolling average. A region must also have proper hospital and intensive care bed capacity and meet an adequate threshold of contact traces and testing. Phased reopening does not mean the problem has gone away. It means we have control of the problem because of what we did and because of our individual responsibility and our individual actions, and that has to be maintained, Cuomo said. Businesses that reopen will have to implement safety precautions outlined by the state, including social distancing practices for employees and customers, strict cleaning standards and continuous health screening of employees. Starting Friday, low-risk activities including gardening, tennis and drive-in movies will be allowed to reopen statewide, Cuomo announced on Monday. He said New York has been on the other side of the mountain and is now working toward reopening the state without taking a step back. Cuomo reported on Friday that the total number of hospitalizations and the number of new daily cases of COVID-19 have declined. He said that 157 people died due to COVID-19 on Wednesday. Also a daily decline. "If you see a change in those numbers, react immediately," Cuomo said. "React immediately. If you allow this virus to get ahead of us, we will have a problem." If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to Tom Snout. Have a nice day.